Joe Tigay is joining us, managing partner at Equity Armor Investments. Joe, Tesla seems to keep kind of dragging on this triangle or wedge situation on the chart where we're unable to make higher highs, but also the bears just can't seem to push this thing down to lower lows either.
Yeah, and you said it. This has been a consolidating action for Tesla. It's really been a consolidating action for all of tech. And I've been on this for a while now. So much of this trade has been to the upside. At some point, we need to consolidate, let time catch up to these charts, and let us get a further path down. Go raise higher further on down the road. For me, I think there's it's too much volatility out there to just be able to go out there and own Tesla and own tech in general without some sort of protection. I love looking at options to reduce my risk, and I've been doing that lately via cash covered puts, and I think that's a better way and the best way to still be long these names until we break out of this range. I think this is going to be the path forward.
So, Joe, how do you do that in a trade? I mean, is there premium in Tesla you can sell, away from the current price right now, collect some money while it sits and waits for a move?
Yeah, there's quite a bit of premium, as you might be able to guess. If you just look out in December, just for the next month and a half, or a little less than a month and a half, I can sell the 400 put for $24. That would get me into the stock at $376. Now, of course, you would say, oh, but you have to buy the stock at $376. But Oliver, would you rather pay $412 or $376?
Well, I guess it depends what I want here. I'll usually pay less if I can, Joe. Unless it's a trick question.
There's no question about that. Now, it's gonna net me about 5% return for the next month. If Tesla does break out to the upside, it certainly could do better than 5% to the upside because I'm capped out. That's the most I can make, but it increases my probability of success. I'm gonna make money if the stock goes up or if just time passes without it going lower.
Okay. So right now, Joe, what do you look for if that type of consolidation is potentially going to break? I mean, it feels like you have to be hyper aware of Tesla for the possibility of big moves because you're kind of betting against a big move right now in a sense. Not explicitly, but obviously the trade doesn't work if it starts to go wild.
Sure, if it goes against me, yeah, it's still better than being long this stock. That's the first of all. Second of all, if it goes in my favor in a big way, if we make a new high in Tesla, great, I'm winning on my put. I can roll it up and do it again, and live to fight another day.
All right, live to fight another day. And if you do get the drop, then you're ready to buy it at 400 if you want to own Tesla then. So I think it makes sense right now, 376. The break even, we're at 416 right now, so in the clear for a pretty good drop. I mean, 376 would be a sizable move for Tesla to the downside. Joe, thanks for the trade as always. Mr. Tigay, managing partner at Equity Armor Investments.